morning my dear students. This is my 7th video for lesson 2 measurement. In the last class we saw about the shape parallelogram. What is the formula for perimeter of parallelogram? Sum of the length of the four sides. So four sides add பண்ணோம் அப்படினா அதான் parallelogram. Okay, what is the area of parallelogram? Already you know, base into height square unit. In this class you are going to learn about the shape rhombus. Formula for perimeter of rhombus is same thing, sum of the length of four sides. Area of rhombus is base into height square units. At the same time asking area of the rhombus having diagonal by using the formula is half into d1 into d2 square unit. Okay, diagonal is equal to 1 by 2 into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2 square unit. Okay, now you learn you see example 2.6. Find the area of the rhombus whose side is 17 centimeter and the height is 8 centimeter. So we find out the area of the rhombus given that one side is 17 centimeter, which means breadth. Okay, and the height is 8 centimeter. Height is, this one is height, that is 8 centimeter. So given that base is equal to 17 centimeter, height is equal to 8 centimeter. We find out the area of the rhombus. What is the formula? Area of the rhombus is equal to base into height square unit. So area of the rhombus is equal to base into height square unit. What is the value of base? 17 centimeter. So 17 into height is 8 centimeter. So 8. 17 8s are 136. 17 into 8. 8 7s are 6. Balance 5. 1 8s are 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. So 17 8s are 136. Here centimeter, here also centimeter. So centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square or square centimeter. Both are equal. Centimeter square or square centimeter. Are you understand? Next one, see example 2.7. Calculate the area of the rhombus having diagonals equal to 6 meter and 8 meter. Listen. Area of the rhombus having diagonals. One is 6 centimeter and another one is 8 centimeter. So one is 6, another one is 8 centimeter. So already I told that area of the rhombus having diagonal is, what is the formula? Half into d1 into d2 square unit. So given that d1 is equal to 6 centimeter and then d2 is equal to 8 centimeter. What is the formula? Diagonal is equal to half into d1 into d2 square units. Okay, see that half into diagonal 1 is 6 into diagonal 2 is 8. Okay, listen. 1 2s are 2, 3 2s are 6. So இப்படி cancel பண்ணாலும் okay தான். இல்ல 1 2s are 2, 4 2s are 8. Any one number, because 3 numbers are multiplying. So 1 2s are 2, 4 2s are 8, 6 4s are 12, 6 4s are 24. Here centimeter, here also centimeter. So centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. So hence area of the rhombus is 24 centimeter square or square centimeter. Are you understand? Diagonal formula is half into d1 into d2 square units. 1 by 2 into diagonal 1 is 6, diagonal 2 is 8, 1 2s are 2, 4 2s are 8, or 1 2s are 2, 3 2s are 6, or 6 8s are 48 divided by 2. அப்படி போட்டு cancel பண்ணா same thing 24 தான் answer வரும். ஓகேங்களா? 24 here centimeter. So centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. Hence the area of the rhombus is 24 centimeter square or square centimeter. Are you understand? Next is some example 2.8. If the area of the rhombus is 60 square centimeter, area of the rhombus is 60 square centimeter and one of the diagonal is 8 centimeter. So given that, see diagonal. So what is the formula? Half into d1 into d2. Okay. Find the length of the other diagonal. நம்மளுக்கு area of the rhombus கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. diagonal 2 sideல ஒரு side 8 cm அப்படினு கொடுத்துட்டு நம்ம இப்போ என்ன கால்குலேட் பண்ணனும் அப்படினா another one side கால்குலேட் பண்ணனும். So area of the rhombus. Area of the rhombus is equal to 60 square centimeter and given that length of the one diagonal is 8 centimeter. One diagonal is equal to 8 centimeter. So நம்ம என்ன calculate பண்ணனும்? Other diagonal. Find the length of the other diagonal. Other diagonal. So இன்னொரு diagonal என்ன அப்படின்றதா நம்ம calculate பண்ணனும். Already know the formula. Diagonal is equal to 1/2 into d1 into d2 square unit. So already given that area of the rhombus is 60 is equal to half into diagonal 1. Diagonal 1 is 8 centimeter into diagonal 2 we can find out. So d2. Okay. So 60 is equal to half into 8 into d2. 1 2s are 2, 4 2s are 8. So 60 is equal to 4 into d2. Here both are multiplying. So take opposite side. 60 divided by இந்த சைடில் ரைட் சைடில் மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் இருந்தது ஆப்போசிட்டில் வந்தால் டிவைடில் வரும். ஓகேவா? 60 divided by 4 equal to diagonal 2. So take 2 table. 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, this 0. Again cancel 2 table. 1 2s are 2, 15 2s are 30. So 15 centimeter is equal to diagonal 2. So what is the other diagonal? Other diagonal side is 15 centimeter. So length of the other diagonal is 15 centimeter. Are you understand this sum? Listen, if the area of the rhombus is 60 square centimeter and one of the diagonal is 8 centimeter. So area of the diagonal is 60. Okay. Diagonal one side is 8 centimeter. So we can find out the other diagonal. Already know the formula. Diagonal is equal to half into d1 into d2 square unit. So given the diagonal is 60, half into d1 is 8, d2. Find out the value of d2. So 60 equal to half into 8 into d2. 1 2s are 2. Here multiplication. 1 2s are 2, 4 2s are 8. So 60 is equal to 4 into d2. Here both are multiplying. So take opposite side. It is divided. So 60 divided by 4 is equal to d2. Cancel the 2 table. 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, this 0. Again cancel 2 table. 1 2s are 2, 15 2s are 30. So diagonal d2 is 15 centimeter. So length of the other diagonal is 15 centimeter. Are you understand? Okay, see, next is some example 2.9. The floor of an office building consists of 200 rhombus shaped tiles. அதாவது ஒரு ஆஃபீஸ் பில்டிங்கில் டைல்ஸ் வந்து ராம்பஸ் ஷேப்பில் இருக்குது. ஓகேங்களா? அந்த ஒரு ஃப்ளோரில் பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா 200 ஷேப்ஸ் டைல்ஸ் இருக்குது. அதாவது 200 டைல்ஸ் இருக்குது. அது வந்து ராம்பஸ் ஷேப்பில் இருக்குது. ஓகேங்களா? அண்ட் ஈச் ஆஃப் இட்ஸ் லென்த் ஆஃப் தி டயகோனல் ஆர் 40 சென்டிமீட்டர் அண்டு 25 சென்டிமீட்டர். ஸோ ஒரு ராம்பஸ் ஷேப்டு டைல்ஸோடைய லென்த்து அண்டு பிரெத்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 40 சென்டிமீட்டர் அண்டு 25 சென்டிமீட்டர். diagonal 1 and diagonal 2. Find the total cost of polishing the floor at 40 5 per square meter. Per means 1. ஓகேங்களா, listen. ஆக்சுவலாக ஒரு ஆஃபீஸ் பில்டிங் ஒன்று, அந்த பில்டிங்கில் டைல்ஸ் வந்து ராம்பஸ் ஷேப்பு இருக்குது. ஓகேங்களா, ஒரு ஃப்ளோருக்கு பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா 200 டைல்ஸ் வந்து வேணும். ஓகேங்களா, ஸோ அது டயகோனல் ஷேப்பில் இருக்குது. ஸோ ஒரு டயகோனல் D1 வந்து 42, another one diagonal is D2 25. So we can calculate the cost of polishing the floor, rupees 45 per square meter. ஸோ per square meterக்கு 45 ரூபி அப்படின்னா, ஸோ டோட்டலாக அந்த ஃப்ளோருக்கு ஃபுல்லாக பாலிஷிங் பண்ணுறதுக்கு எவ்வளோ அமௌண்ட் ஆகும் அப்படின்றத நம்ம கால்குலேட் பண்ண போகிறோம். ஓகேவா, ஸோ see that length of the diagonals are 40 cm and 25 cm. So D1 is equal to 40 cm and D2 is equal to 25 cm. So D and D diagonal is given. So what is the formula? Area of the rhombus. What is the formula? Half into D1 into D2 square units. So half into diagonal 1 is 40 and diagonal 2 is 25. So cancel that. 1 2s are 2, 20 2s are 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, that's 0. So 20 into 25. So 20 into 25. Take multiplication. 2 5s are 10, 0, balance 1, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, 5, this 0. So 500 centimeter into centimeter square. So area of the rhombus is 500 centimeter square. So the area of, now we can find out the area of 200 such tiles. Okay, area of 200 such tiles is equal to 200 into 500. So 2 5s are, so here also 0, here also 0. So take that. 2 5s are 10, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. 100,000 square centimeter. So given that is, say, square centimeter, convert into square meter. Okay, so already know that 1 square meter is equal to 10,000 square centimeter. So 100,000 divided by how much? 10,000. So cancel that. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, remaining 10 square meter. Okay, so next one, find the total cost of polishing the floor at rupees 45 per square meter. So here meter கேட்டிருக்கிறதுனால தான் நம்ம இந்த இடத்துல என்ன பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா ஸ்கொயர் சென்டிமீட்டரை மீட்டருக்கு கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். ஓகேங்களா, now we are calculate the cost of polishing 200 such tile. Okay, cost of polishing 200 tiles is equal to 10 into 1 per square meter வந்து 45. So 10 into 45 is equal to 450 rupees. 450. So the rate of rupees 45 per square meter is equal to rupees 450. Are you understand? Dear students, if anybody have doubt, please ask our group. Okay, next see example 2.2 second sum. Find the area of the rhombus whose base is 14 cm and height is 9 cm. Given that base is 14 cm and height is 9 cm, we can calculate the area of the rhombus. Already know the formula. What is that? What is the formula? Area of the rhombus is equal to base into height square units. Okay, base is 14 into height is 9. 14 9s are 9, 4 9s are 36, 6 remaining 3, 1 9s are 9, 9 plus 3 12. Here centimeter, here also centimeter, so centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. So area of the rhombus is equal to 126 centimeter square. Dear students, this is the about our shape rhombus by using perimeter and area. So rhombus ku perimeter and area எப்படி calculate பண்ணோம் அப்படின்றது உங்களுக்கு தெரிஞ்சிருக்கும். Next you are going to learn about the shape trapezium. Trapezium is a parallelogram which one pair of non-parallel side is known as a trapezium. See that here AD and BC are different, are not parallel, okay, but AB and CD are parallel. It is called isosceles trapezium. Okay, AD and CD are non-parallel, but AB and CD are parallel, so it is called isosceles trapezium. Okay, here see the formula. Perimeter of trapezium is sum of the length of the four sides, same thing, but here area is half into height into A into B. Here A is one side, B is another one side, so given the two sides, height 1. Okay, so half into H into A into B, B square units. Okay, so இதை பேஸ் பண்ணி சம்ஸ் நம்ம நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸில் பார்க்கலாம். டியர் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், ஏதாவது டவுட்டாக இருந்தால் நம்மளுடைய குரூப்பில் கேளுங்க. ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ, டேக் கேர், பை.